Hey, how is it going? WordPress enthusiast. In today's Raqmedia tutorial, we'll be showing you how to create an email address in cPanel. Welcome back. Having a professional business email is one of the things which most WordPress users and web hosting clients look for, as it may enhance your business and get you closer to your clients. Well, in this quick guide, we'll be showing you how to create a professional business email using the cPanel easily and in few steps. First of all, you log in into your cPanel dashboard using your credentials. After that, you head on to the tab email, which is in here. Next, select email accounts. Few seconds. Right here, all the emails that you have created will be listed in here or featured. If you have not created none, then you will not be created automatically. As you can see here, we have 4 depending on your hosting plan. Mostly you can create as many as you like. What we need here is to hit the create button on the right in here, create. Next, you select the website you want to associate this new email to it. From the drop down menu, here all your websites will be featured. So select the one you want to create a new email. Next, use the username. In our case here, we'll be using support. And we have selected this domain as default. Great, you can create a password for your email. Keep it 18. Select the type of password, or you just generate from in here and one will be generated for you, and this one is strong enough. Make sure you copy it and save it in secure place in order to be able to log into your email later, otherwise you will be denied. Next, we hit create, and voila, your email has been successfully created. As simple as that. You can check your email, manage it. It will be checking your email, you will be logged in automatically, so just hit open, and voila, this is your new email. And you have the configuration settings, the first email that you will receive, and everything working fine. And now you can start using your business email by composing, sending new emails, checking the box. If you faced any problems, comment it below and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new tutorial like this one. Till next tutorial, this is your host, Azadeen. See you around. Peace.